Today, we are going to discuss an amazing deal that Walter was able to put together for the Wired for Sound STI 500 V2 integrated amplifier. This product combines the sensational ST500 amplifier with the STP SE preamp. Those two items in combination are normally $3,500, but wait until you see what Underwood Wally has in store for you. Hello, and thank you for joining us here at Underwood Hi-Fi's YouTube channel. Walter Lederman, aka Underwood Wally, has been serving you for 20 years. Walter's formula is simple: internet direct, super low overhead, and incredible customer service. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the show. Hey folks, welcome to Underwood Hi-Fi's YouTube channel, where today we're going to be discussing a fantastic buy that Walter just made from Wired for Sound. Walter was able to get an incredible deal on the STI V2 500. This product is a marriage between the ST500 and the fabulous STP preamp. You're going to hear more about the price and more about the features and benefits through this video, so enjoy the show. Thanks for tuning in. So let's get down to the basics. This STI 500 V2 integrated amplifier, normally selling for $2,500, is now on sale at Underwood Hi-Fi for $1,399. That's a 44% savings from the normal retail price. This product is sensational. You could use this as the heartbeat of any audio or video system. Thank you for tuning in today. We appreciate it, and we look forward to sending more of these messages in the near future. I hope you're enjoying them.